Oh no. Who let him on the plane? Mikey, switch with me. Mikey!
What's up?
Switch seats with me.
Why? I like the aisle.
Would you just listen? I don't want you sitting next to that guy.
Fine. So we just go in the thanks.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਕਰਿਆ
Excuse me. Hey, Mohammed. I said excuse me.
Actually, my name is Baljeet. How can I help you?
What are you chanting?
It's a prayer I say before every flight. Is there an issue?
Is that some sort of a Muslim thing?
No. Actually, I'm a Sikh. But even if it were, would it matter?
Hey. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
He should be staying away from those sunflower seeds since he's coughing.
Thanks. But nobody asked you.
Hello, everyone. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. We'll be taking off in just a moment.
Hello, hello.
Hi, yes, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm a little concerned about...
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ
You
ਦਾ
know.
ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ
Oh.
ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ
Was there something the matter?
You don't hear him chanting? I mean, who knows what he's saying? Or plotting?
Oh, there's a lot of passengers that pray before a flight, especially the Indian community. There's nothing to be concerned about, ma'am.
Hey, here, some water. Thanks.
Did you just take a picture of me?
No.
I just saw you. Why would you do that?
I'm sending the picture to my husband, okay?
May I know why?
Yeah, because if anything happens on this flight, he'll know who's responsible.
Responsible for what?
Look, I don't have to explain myself to you.
Hi, is everything okay over here?